Hello fellow nerds and LARPers and adventurers of all kinds. Today I am unboxing a beautiful white rig from Epic Cosplay Wigs for my pirate character Compass. So let's get to it. That's probably easier to see. It's a beautiful white rig. So that's the rig. So Compass has right here, because I made her that cool and unique. So yeah. Plus I like right here characters. So yeah, I'm weird like that. So yeah, you'll probably see a couple of scenes here in the next few slides of me wearing the rig. So yeah. Bye. Obviously the bangs are long, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but overall it's pretty good. Can't really see it because we have mostly white walls and nowhere else to film, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I can't wait to wear it for the Pirate Fest as a pirate when I can. Yeah. And that's the end of the video. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!